Thank you, Amanda. Look, thank you for the opportunity to talk about cash flow. Obviously, in the current environment, cash flow is even more important than normal. I think we all understand the challenges that small business and business in general is facing, and there's never been a better time for people in business to get a handle on their cash flow. Obviously, without talking about the government and what they've done for business, that is helping people to survive at the moment. But it's a really great opportunity for people to take charge of understanding their cash flow, understanding the levers they can pull today in their business to improve their cash position. So we're going to talk about some of those levers. We're also going to talk about a simple cash flow model that we provide to our clients to help them to monitor their cash flow on a weekly and monthly basis and just take a whole heap of stress out of the business so that they know and can foresee their upcoming obligations in the business 3 months ahead of time. So there are some of the key takeaways that we'll be focusing on.